Hello, in this video I will explain you how you can become restaurant partner with Biryani Boys app and start listing your restaurant in the Biryani Boys app. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to the more option and tap on the contact us option. Now here you need to fill in your details. And type message that you would like to join our restaurant partner program. And send this message. Once your message is received by our support team, then someone from our support team will get in touch with you and will help you join our restaurant partner program and list your restaurants in Biryani Boys app. Once restaurant partner program is enabled for your account by our support team, then you can go into the more option and then here tap on partner program. Inside partner program you will see manage restaurant screen, and here you have to add a restaurant. So here I will add one sample restaurant. Now I will save this information, but before that I need to set a location on a map so that the customers who are staying nearby can find this restaurant. Now I will add some photos of the restaurant, just test photos. Now the photos are being uploaded. So you can see all the photos have been added. Now let's say we want to enable delivery service for this restaurant, then I will select delivery, and here I need to specify the delivery pickup time for both peak hours and non-peak hours. So let's say during peak hours the delivery pickup time is 40 minutes, then I will or let's say 30 minutes, then I will write 30 minutes over here. And during non-peak hours, let's say delivery pickup time is 20 minutes. So what gonna happen is the delivery pickup guy will come after 30 minutes or around 30 minutes during peak hours, and at around 20 minutes during non-peak hours for picking up the delivery items and shipping it to the customer. Now we need to add menu as well. So I will add one test item here. So I will write menu item name as sample item. Item price I will set to $49. Let's say it's a veg, and I will mark it as an appetizer. I will save the item, and then I will upload one sample photo. The menu item photo is uploaded now. Later you can edit this by just tapping it, or you can delete it from this bin icon. Now similarly you can add your items from the Excel file. So what you have to do is to download sample Excel from this option. Now as I have downloaded already, I am not gonna re-download it. And after that, once it is downloaded, you have to tap upload Excel file and select the downloaded Excel file. So the menu items will be imported from your Excel file. You need to download the Excel file and add your menu items in the same format as shown in the sample file. Now you can see all the menu items have been added from our Excel file. I will set some photos for those menu items. So this way you can add menu items, and here you can optionally define tax rate. So let's say here for testing purpose and demonstration purpose, I will write 5% as in tax rate, and I will save it. Now you can add coupons for your restaurant. So I will add one coupon, a flat coupon called 100 off. Then it will be flat, so I will select flat option. The discount will be $100 and the minimum order value required is $150, let's say. Now I have enabled this coupon so that it can be used by the customer. Now here there is one more option which is called hide coupon. So if you select this, then this coupon will be hidden from the public customers, that is all customer, and only those customer who know this coupon code can avail its discount. So now I am going to save it, and it got saved. I will add one more coupon called 15% off. So this will give 50% discount on minimum order value of $100. I have enabled it, and let's say I select hide coupon option for this. So I have enabled hide coupon, so the general customers, that is the all customers, will not be shown this coupon, and you will have to tell to the customers specifically about this coupon whom you want to use it. So I have added coupons. Now let's say you want to add some catering packages which will be shown to the customer, then you can add it using this add catering package feature. So let's say the name of the package is executive package, and the price per plate, let's say, is 100, and the note, I will add some random test note, and I will save this. Now you have to add menu items, so you have to simply tap this add button and keep adding the items as you want. The items will be categorized properly based on their type. So you can see all items have been categorized properly, and I will tap save. There are many more features, but we will have a look at them later. So now we will go back, and as soon as you add your first restaurant, then you will be asked to complete your payment details, so that you will start receiving your sales payment. So you can do this later as well, and you can do this now as well. So whenever you want, you can do this. So I have tapped on fill now. So now it's taking me to the page where I can fill the details. So you need to fill the email and the phone number. Now as I am demonstrating, I am gonna use test phone number, but you have to enter your real phone number. So you need to fill details about your business. I will write my name over here. So as I am now demonstrating this, I am gonna use test account details, but you have to fill your real details. So now my details have been filled and submitted, and I will check back later once those details are approved by the Stripe and the Data Bloom, that is the Biryani Boys app organization. Now I will show you the first order for this restaurant. For that you need to contact the support team and tell them that you have added new restaurant and you want to enable it. So the Data Bloom, that is the Biryani Boys app company, will take a look at your restaurant data and will enable it, and if there are any issues, then they will tell you to fix it. Now I will send the message. Now the message has been sent successfully. Once your restaurant is enabled by our support team, then you will start seeing it in the delivery section, because we have enabled delivery feature for this restaurant. So you can see the best restaurants, which is basically the name of the restaurant, have been listed in the delivery section. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to enter your proper address. So I am going to enter proper address so that the delivery pickup person will come properly at the address. So I will edit the address. So I have entered proper address of the restaurant so that the delivery person will come at an correct address. Now let's see whether this address is reflecting properly in our restaurant details in the delivery section. So you can see the best restaurant is the name of the restaurant, and once you tap it, then the its address is shown. So this is how your customer is going to see your restaurant in the delivery section list, and here he will tap like this, and here it will be shown that what is the address of your restaurant and how many miles it is away, and the customer can call your restaurant like this by tapping this button, call button, or he can get the Google Map direction to your restaurant. So you can see here the customer can get Google Map direction to your restaurant as well. Right now there are no items being shown in best selling section because we have not enabled best selling for any menu item. But if you go to the all item section, then you can see all menu items are shown along with their price, and the customer can add those items in their checkout cart. So all items are categorized properly. So in appetizer you will see appetizer, in main dish you will see main dish, in dessert you will see dessert. So this is how all menu items are categorized properly. Now I will show you how you can add certain specific items to be shown in this best selling category. So for that you have to go to the more partner program, go to the best restaurant, and here you have to tap on manage menu. So you can see there are lots of menu item, and now I am going to mark ice cream as an show in best selling category. So if I enable it, then this ice cream will be shown in best selling category. Now I will similarly do for salad. I will enable it that show in best selling category. So now it also will be shown in best selling category. Now if I go back, and here you can see as a customer I will see those two items which I marked to be shown in best selling category in here in this page. So customer can add best selling items or all items or appetizer or any other category items into his cart. So I will add this sample menu item: dal, ice cream, salad, cake, rice, sabji, all items for demonstration purpose. Now here I am in the checkout cart screen. So here you can see all your cart items. Here you can see your total items quantity, the subtotal, and the discount coupons which are available. So do you remember we added coupons? So those coupons are shown over here, and here you can see there is a one coupon and the customer can apply this coupon. Okay, so now the coupon is applied and the customer has gotten discount. The customer can also leave a tip by selection 5%, 10%, 20%, or his any custom tip amount like this. So now I have added a custom tip of $5 which got added here, and then the customer need to enter his name. So I will enter my name here, email, and the delivery address I will put as an 1201 3rd Ave, Seattle, Washington 98101. And the note I will put something like test should be medium spicy, and then I will tap on this place order. So I have to pay now. So I will pay now as of now using my test account for demonstration purpose. So the payment is completed now and the transaction is successful. you can see the order details, that is the customer can see the order details like this, and he can track the delivery by tapping this track delivery. So he will be shown what is the status of his delivery. So this is from customer point of view, he can track delivery. So you can see the order is received and arrival time and the order details, etc. The customer can cancel his order by tapping this cancel order option. Now you as a restaurant owner can see the order received here in the manage restaurant section, or you can also tap on the name of the restaurant and see your order there as well. So there are two ways to check the orders. Here you will see orders received from all restaurant, but here if you go into the restaurant, then here you will see the order received from that specific restaurant. Also in the dashboard you can see the total number of views that your restaurant has got, the total number of orders you have received, and your total sales amount. So I will tap here right now. I will go into the order and I will check the order. So you as a restaurant owner and your staff can check the orders received here, and you can update your cooking time. Also you can update the status of the order, whether it's cooking, ready to pick, out for delivery, and delivered. You as a restaurant owner can also cancel order that by tapping this cancel order button and enter the cancellation reason and cancel the order. So right now I am going to update the order to cooking. So you can see the order has been saved successfully, and the customer will receive the notification that his order is in cooking stage. Now let's enable our restaurant for pickup service as well and dining service as well, and I will save this information. So here you can see once you enable pickup, then your restaurant listing will be enabled in the pickup section as well, and the customer can order or basically can take a pickup order from your restaurant. So here you can see the pickup order is same as it is like delivery. So the payment is completed and the pickup order has been placed. Now as in customer, your customer can see all their orders here like this. So you can see as in customer I placed delivery order, and as in customer I placed pickup order. So I can view those order here and their status as well. Now the restaurant owner has received his pickup order as well here. So you can see the pickup order has been received and it is shown over here. Now we have also added an feature where the restaurant owner can manage dining section. So here he can accept a dining order and manage his dining table. So for accepting dining order, the restaurant owner must have some set of dining tables. So let's say we want to add some dining table. For that purpose, what we're gonna do, we're gonna select a table row identifier and the number of tables in that row. So here I need to set table size. So the table size is basically the number of people who can sit on that table, who can accommodate that table. So let's say 4 people can accommodate on one table. Now I'm going to add table. So you can see the tables are generated automatically. So in the first row, that is A row, there are 5 number of table, and on each table 4 people can sit. Similarly, you can generate more tables. Okay, so I have now added tables. Now I'm going to accept a dining order. So let's say we are going to add sample item. Now I need to select a table. I need to set a tip, and here in accepting dining order there are 2 options for accepting order. There can be pay now mode or pay later mode. In the pay now mode, the customer need to pay by cash or card, or he can split the card bill. And in the pay later, he can pay later once his meal is finished. So now I have selected pay now option. So here my order details are shown. The restaurant owner can print the bills or the order details using this print icon. So this is how the print feature is working. He need to select the printer, and once the printer is selected, he can print this bill summary, that is the order summary, using his printer. Also, these order details can be emailed to the customer using this email bill option. Now let's say after some time the restaurant owner want to accept the payment for the order that he did as an pay now for that dining order. Then what he need to do is he need to open that order. So the order is loading. So this is the dining order which we just created, and it's in pay later stage. So let's say the customer meal is finished now and he want to pay now. So I will tap on this pay now, and here you can either select cash, card, or split the bill. So let's say you want to accept the payment from the card at an terminal using Stripe terminal. Then you can purchase this Stripe terminal whose details will be given to you by our support team, and you can order that Stripe terminal and have it in your restaurant so that you can accept card payments at that Stripe terminal into your account. So now what I'm going to do is going to tap on this card. So now you can see it's saying to tap or scan card. So the card is getting scanned at a terminal, and you can see the payment is received. I will show you one more order so that you can understand again. So I'm again going to accept one order, let's say ice cream. I'm going to set a table to A2 and going to do pay later. So now let's say the customer has finished his ice cream and he wants to pay, and he want to pay via terminal. Then he can simply tap this, or he can split his bill as well. So let's say there are 2 people who ate this ice cream and they want to split the bill. So I will tap number of split to 2, and now the customers need to scan their card. So the first customer need to scan now. Now the second customer need to scan the card at a terminal, and once both of them have finished scanning, then the payment will be completed. So you can see the transaction is successful and the payment is saved. Now let's say the customer want to book the table. Then he can simply go here he can find your restaurant and he can book a dining table. So all the available slots will be shown, and all this table inventory is automatically managed by our algorithms. So the customer can select any date and the duration, and based on the duration the different sets of table slots are generated. So right now let's keep it to 30 minutes only, which is the default. The customer can change it, and let's select any table. So here the customer can see the table that is available to him, the date and the time duration. Now I'm going to enter my name, I'm going to enter my phone number so that the customer can be reached out by the restaurant owner. And note that what specific you want to tell to the restaurant owner. So let's say we are going to celebrate birthday, then let's give him an idea that there is a birthday celebration. And now I will save. So you can see the table is booked successfully, and the book table can be viewed by the customer like this. So the book dining table are shown here in this list, and all the details is shown. So the customer can call, or he can get the map direction using this feature, and the restaurant owner get the list of customer who have booked dining table. And this list can be seen by going into this manage dining table section and tapping on this icon. So the restaurant owner can get the idea of which tables are booked, and he can be ready with whatever notes that have been specified by the customer. Now there is a one more feature which is called manage accounting. Here the restaurant owner basically can see all his accounting details. So let's say today, yesterday, 3 days back, and all his details. So this basically shows the sales and the income that he have received, expenses, and the balance that is left after all expenses are paid. So here the restaurant owner can add more records, like let's say he bought vegetables, then that becomes a expense, and that's of grocery, and whether it's a payment type is cash or card, it's a status and the amount. So let's say 100, and let's save this. So you can see the expenses added and the balance is subtracted. The balance becomes 786 after subtraction of $100 expense from our income. Similarly, he can add more records, like let's say the restaurant owner got catering deal, so it becomes his income, and he can categorize it under sales section. So you can see the catering deal income has been added, and the balance is now increased to 1786. Okay, so restaurant owner can also select a specific date range. He can also see all months tabular data. So as of now I have created this account just now, so it's showing me just recently added income, expense and balances. Restaurant owner can also see the sales analytics, like what type of the services are used and how much they are used. So here you can see the delivery is being used 50% customer by 50% customer. The pickup and dining is used by 25% each, and how many payments are card, how many payments are cash, the menu items and their distribution, that is the how much some menu item is consumed, and the number of orders taken by someone. the restaurant owner can also manage a wait list of the customer. So here they need to add the customer name. So let's say there is a customer called Yogesh and his phone number is, and let's set a token for him as an 55. Now I have added one customer in waitlist for dining, and let's say you want to message that customer that his dining turn has arrived. Then restaurant owner can simply tap on this message icon, okay, this one, and it will open the message app, and a pre-populated field message will be shown where restaurant owner can add more details and simply send it. Also, I would like to show you that the catering package that we have added can be seen by the customer by scrolling this menu category to the right and tapping on catering packages. Here all the catering packages will be shown which are added by the restaurant owner. Now as we know, we have added executive package, then it is shown here, and the customer can tap on it and see the all details of this package, like the price per plate, notes, and the items which come along with that package. Also, if you want to share this package in the form of PDF with any other customer or any other person, then you can simply tap on this share icon, which will basically generate an PDF, and then you can later share this PDF with any of your customers. Now I will show you one feature which is called manage team. So using this manage team feature, you can basically add your staff and all people who work in your restaurant for operation purpose. So let's say now I'm going to add a member. So I will name this member as an admin or test admin. I will select member type as an admin, and I will set the passcode as 1234, and I will save it. Now I will another member, let's say waiter 1, and I will set the passcode as 5678. So now we have added 2 people in the team, and whenever people enter their passcode, then they will be authenticated using their role, that is admin or other, and the data will be shown as per their role. So now I will restart my app. So now you can see, now it is asking me for the passcode. Now if I enter admin passcode, then I will be authenticated as an admin. So I will enter 1234. Now you can see I have been authenticated as an admin, and I can see all the details. Now let's say if I authenticate as an waiter, then I will enter his passcode. So now you can see, now I have been authenticated as an waiter, and I am able to see a limited set of options. So this way you can manage your team. Now I will again authenticate myself as an admin, and here I want to show you one more feature which is inside payments. So now you can see our sales are $677 which are shown approximately here. Okay, so we have a total sales of 678.45, and the commission is 5%, which will goes to the Biryani Boys organization, as they are providing us with this platform, and our earnings are 644.53, which is shown in dollar. And let's say you have to cash out this, then you can simply tap on this cash out, So you can see the cash out request has been submitted, and the cash out will be processed by the support team within some days. Now let's say you want to see the history of your cash out, then you can simply come back to this screen and check the cash out history like shown in this screen. So you can see now our cash out history showing one item. So we made the cash out just now, and our total sales commission and earnings are reset. So this cash out request will be processed within few days. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any more questions, queries, then you can simply go to this more option and contact us by filling this form with your query and doubts.